Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome to my garden, where I'm always looking for ways to make gardening easier and more efficient. Today, I want to share with you 5 garden hacks that have been a game changer for me. From saving time to increasing yields, these hacks have made a huge difference in my garden. Hack number 1. Using a milk jug as a watering can. This is one of my favorite hacks. A milk jug makes the perfect watering can. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and holds just the right amount of water for smaller plants. This simple hack has saved me so much time and effort in the garden. Hack number 2. Creating an indoor herb garden. Herbs are easy to grow indoors. Potted herbs can add fresh flavor and aroma to your kitchen and meals. Plus, they're great for adding greenery to your home year-round. Hack number 3. Planting seeds in egg cartons. Egg cartons are perfect for starting seeds indoors. They provide a small space for each seedling and allow for easy transplanting when it's time to move them outdoors. Hack number 4. Recycling old parts. Don't throw away your old parts. Instead, recycle them by drilling holes in the bottom for better drainage or adding casters for easy outdoor movement. Hack number 5. Planting sweet potatoes in a box. To grow sweet potatoes quickly and easily, plant them in a cardboard box filled with soil and compost. You'll see results in just a few weeks. And that's it, folks. I hope these garden hacks will make your gardening experience as enjoyable and successful as mine has been. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!